In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp breadcrumbs in views. Breadcrumbs are the little path indicators that show exactly where a task lives inside your workspace, like workspace, space, folder, and list. Turning these on in your views makes it much easier to understand task context at a glance and to navigate quickly without hunting through the sidebar. Start by opening the overview in your team space inside your workspace. Any list style or board style view in this area will work. The overview is a great place to demonstrate breadcrumbs because it often aggregates tasks from different locations, so seeing the path helps you immediately spot where each item belongs. Next, click on a task. Opening a task lets you see its details and confirm its current location, which makes the breadcrumb change more obvious once we enable it. You'll still be working from the view, but looking at a real task ensures you can compare before and after. Now, click on Customize in the View toolbar. Customize controls the settings for this specific view, not your entire workspace, so you can turn breadcrumbs on here without affecting other views. If you don't see the button right away, look toward the top right of the view for a gear or funnel style icon labeled Customize. This is where most display options live. Inside Customize, turn on Show Task Locations and also enable the option to show subtasks. Show Task Locations is the key setting that reveals the breadcrumb path next to each task or as a column, depending on your view layout. Enabling subtasks ensures that child items appear in the view and their breadcrumbs clearly display the connection back to their parent. Once these are on, you'll notice a concise navigable path for each task, which you can click to jump directly to the space, folder, or list level. This is especially useful when multiple teams share similar naming conventions because the breadcrumb adds immediate context. Finally, click on Subtasks within the Customize panel. Here you can choose how subtasks appear, such as nested under their parent or as separate tasks. The choice you make influences how clear the breadcrumb trail looks. If you prefer a compact view, keep them nested. If you're reporting across many lists, showing subtasks as separate items with their full breadcrumb path can be more informative. After adjusting, scan your task list and confirm the breadcrumb paths look correct for both tasks and subtasks. That's it. With breadcrumbs enabled, you can hover to see full paths, click to navigate up levels quickly, and keep your views informative without extra clicks. This small tweak makes large workspaces feel more organized and dramatically speeds up navigation.